an important video, especially the students who are in the last 1 month of preparation. The amount of stress is enormously high. You know, in this last 20-25 days time that you have, your productivity levels matters a lot. Often, many students confuse or they don't have clarity on how to take breaks. Like the braking mechanism is very improper. In fact, it leads to losing focus on preparation itself. In fact, their preparation itself completely breaks and they don't even prepare, they don't even resume after the break. Like, you know, what I firmly believe is every 1 hour you must take 5 to 10 minutes of break. And remember, break means silence. Break is always about silence. It's all about that mental calmness. Only then you can be mindful. Why are you taking a break? So that you can be mindful after the break. Now, see, let me tell you how I generally take a break. You know, I divide my day into three parts always. Okay. For example, if you are studying every day for 12 hours, divide your day into three parts, where at every part you need to study only 4 hours. Some students, what they do, they study at least 4 hours. I mean, some students whom I notice, they get up early in the morning at 5 o'clock and they go at a stretch up to 9 o'clock without a break. Maybe in between 5 minutes they may take. Okay, so 4 hours of three slots. Like for example, let me define. So suppose you're starting preparation in the morning at 6 o'clock. 6 to 10 is one slot, and next slot will be 11 to again one slot, again 3 or 3:30 to 5. So this is actually one slot. This is slot number 1, this is slot number 2. Slot number 2 is duration is bigger, but the number of hours that you are preparing will be similar. Then slot number 3 is somewhere like 6 to 11, in between 1 hour break. Okay, this is slot number 3. And I'm telling you guys, this is one of the best schedule to follow and implement for everybody. Fine. Like what is this three slots, what you need to do? For example, you know, I'm telling you guys, early morning, if you get up and study, it's not about early morning. I'm just telling you, make a habit of getting up early in the morning. Make a habit, because I'm just doing it from past one and a half year almost, and I know how beneficial it is. Not because your focus is high in the morning. Your focus is same. My focus is same. Suppose I'm doing this video at night 9:30. I'm very attentive. I'm very focused. Just like how morning at 6:30 I'm attentive. Now also I'm attentive only. My attention levels are same. But when you wake up early in the morning, when you start studying early in the morning, one major slot you will complete. The first 3-4 hours, what you do, that decides your contentment level on the throughout the day. When you are successful in this particular slot, when you successfully study in this slot, 99% sure you will be successful in second and third slot also. 99% you will be extreme happy throughout the day. That first slot in the morning, suppose if you get up at 9-10 o'clock, no, you naturally get a feeling that already half a day is gone. So where you will think of, a little bit of regret feeling, all that starts, a guilt will start, already half day is over. But if you get up early in the morning, you are way ahead than many. They in fact have to start their studies, they in fact have to start their day. You already finished half of your day. Finishing half the day means it's not about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. It's about your commitment, it's about your work commitment. So habituate yourself. Sleep always by 11:30 night, maximum by 11:30. Okay, then get up in the morning at 5:30. Start preparing, whether it is work, whatever it is. I'm not talking about employees, I'm talking about those who are students, who are studying especially now for the upcoming exams. Okay, so get up in the morning, try to start preparation at 6 o'clock. Now this 4 hours is there, right? I will divide into 4 slots of 1 hour each. Where you require break, where the break which I'm talking about is these two breaks. So first you started 6 to 10. Now at 7 o'clock and at 8 o'clock, you need to take a break. Like what? 6 to 7, study with ultimate intensity, with the focus. Remember, sir, I'm studying concentratedly, I'm very focused. What is the level of intensity? That intensity matters a lot. The more intense you are when you're studying, the absorption rate will be high. Intensity, I hope you're able to understand my intensity. Intensity means like you don't have any other thought, you're so deeply involved in the matter, in the subject, that you're trying to analyze all possible questions in exam, how this concept can be asked in an exam, what are the observation points, this point got repeated previously at some other place also, a similar word is there, how that is different from this. That level of involvement in the subject, that is called intense preparation. So intensely you prepare up to 7, then 10 minutes break, 10 minutes break, then again 7:10 approximately you will start, then up to 8:10, again 10 minutes, then go up to, you know 9. Okay, fine. This slot is 6 to 7. Now this is second slot, so 7 to 7:10 break, then 7 to 8 will be over, then again 8 to 9 will be over, then again 9 to 10. Understood? So I hope you understood. At 6 o'clock you start, at 7 o'clock you have to take break, at 8 o'clock you have to take break, then after 8 o'clock break, then up to 9 you will study, then after 9 you will take a big break. Maybe, yeah, here you can take yeah, actually no, you need to take one more break here, then the 10 o'clock will come. Actually, yeah, that's correct. Then 10 will come. If I have to talk about timelines like this, then 10 o'clock will come. So every 1 hour, 10 minutes break you have to take. Break means silence. You should not look at your phone, you should not talk to anybody, just mindfulness, meditation. Meditation is nothing but calm, being silent, just silent, observe what happened, so just, in fact meditation means not thinking anything. Technically speaking, you should not think about anything, you should be calm, nothing. That's called state of nothing, nothingness. So the 10 minutes is very important, so that the next 1 hour slot will be more productive. Then after every 4 hours you must take a long break of 1 hour. Maybe at 10 o'clock you may have a breakfast. For example, some students, sir, I'm habituated to eat breakfast at 8:30 or 9. Then you do one thing, this increase it to 10:30 or 11. Add that half an hour. For example, 6 to 7 you studied, 7 to 8 you studied, 7:10 to 8:10 you studied, then 8:10 to 9 you take a break, then 9 to 10, 10 to 11. Just customize this. This is just a draft. You customize according to your convenience. But break means maintaining the calmness. Now you take a long break, right? Every 4 hours, 1 hour for breakfast, here 1 hour for lunch. Yes or no? Again here for somewhere in between 1 hour for dinner. These should be your long breaks. Only breakfast, lunch and dinner. These should be your long breaks. And during this break, you can watch your phone, you can see the notifications, you can talk to friends, you can watch YouTube, some general stuff, all that. Understood? Now, coming to the afternoon. You see, afternoon, lunch break must be 2 hours. Half an hour for lunch, half an hour to 45 minutes for lunch, 1 hour 15 minutes for a powerful sleep. Most important, afternoon. Afternoon is nothing but half of your day is completed. You must sleep for at least 60 minutes to 90 minutes. I'm telling you, very, very powerful it will be. The remaining half of the day, in the first half, with what level of intensity you studied, that intensity will again repeats you. If you sleep in the afternoon for 1 hour, very powerful, very powerful. Many will recommend afternoon sleeps. That's very powerful. But again, 2-3 hours of sleep is not recommended. 1 hour, maximum 1.5 hours. That's it. And when you wake up, again it feels like a fresh start in a day. Compulsory. Now here some students will ask this question, sir, if I sleep in the afternoon, my exam is also afternoon, no, won't I get sleep in exam hall? You will get sleep in exam hall if you don't know the question paper. If you know the question paper, if you know the question, if you know the answer, how the hell you get the sleep? Exam is like an emergency situation. On emergencies, your brain works in a different way, so don't worry. Okay, I sleep every day afternoon, and sometimes I'll have a class in the afternoon. Every day I sleep afternoon, pakka. But I'll have a class in the afternoon sometimes, like a revision sessions when I organize. My mind is so active, so intense. Even the students before me also so intense. Some of them sleep afternoon every day, but on the day of the class, they'll be very intense. Because your mind works different on those days. Don't worry about it. Exceptional days, don't worry. Generally, every day you sleep at 10 o'clock. But on the same day where your cousin or somebody's marriage is going on, or some birthday parties, or a new year is coming 12 o'clock, why are you not sleeping? Why don't you feel sleepy? You understood the formula, right? Every day you'll sleep at 10 o'clock. But on the new year day, you won't even get sleep up to 2 o'clock. Exactly. So exam is like an emergency. It's like an exceptional scenario. So don't worry. So take breaks adequately during your preparation. And most important, have plenty of water. I mean, again, I'll measure it and tell you 3 liters of water. Generally, you must have 3 liters of water. Again, it depends upon generally body weight. There are so many measurements for it. Preferably, ideally, everybody has to consume 3 liters of water every day. And when you're every 1 hour, take a sip of water every 1 hour. Every 1 hour, you take it. Forget about 3 liters, all that. Every 1 hour, take a small sip of water. That's enough. So that's about the breaks, everything. And I'll come up with more videos on these kinds of topics also frequently. And I hope you got some idea. All the best. Continue preparation. All the very best.